Hey guys, today we're going to Knott's berry farm. Not scary this year. And it's going to be a long day. So as soon as I snap my fingers, we're going to be at Knott's berry farm. We're here at Knott's. Let's go inside. Show you the rest of the vlog.
Mikey! Mikey!
And... There's a lot of receipts.
I don't. I hate the show.
What?
Hey guys, we're on the ride, Ghost Rider. We're going up somewhere, and we're probably gonna record and shoot it for you guys in slow motion. Well, we are, so hope you guys enjoy this clip of the ride. See ya soon again in another video today. And I'm holding my phone really tight because I do not want to lose it. Holy crap, we're all gonna
The only thing that scared me is that it's wood. There we go.
And I do not have enough video. Holy crap! Look at this. Hold on, I want to show you something. She's scared. But look at this. This is really, really creepy, and you guys will enjoy it. Okay, I'll hold you up. Here, I'll take you to sleep. Yeah, I'll keep you safe.
Don't take me.
Yeah, man, that's on.
Look, it's right back here. And back of me is a Halloween Haunt Museum. As you can see here, the costumes for most of them. And as we take a look inside, it's really, really cool and creepy. Sophie! Oh, she's scared. Right, like I said, we are now able to record inside, and this is how it looks. Show them the stuff. I really hope this moves sometimes. Hey, Dio. We're here at the Mystery Lodge. I can't believe I forgot the name. And we're gonna go inside a depressing show. Yep, the show is depressing about an Indian who dies at the end. He dies at the end. How depressing is that? The end. We're here at Boomerang and Rapids. Oh wait, I'm wrong. We're here at Knott's kickoff or spin-off of Rapids right here. And it's a cool one because this one gets you wet more and not that kind of hardcore soak wet, but it gets you wet more. So as you can see, I messed up. Let's go on the ride and see you all later. And by the way, Disney is not gonna beat this ride. Hey, what the hell? Hey, I survived. I didn't get that. Oh, I did not get that soaked. We all, they did. All three of you, screw you, because you guys got wet. I didn't. I'm still gonna dry.
You got with the most right there.
I'm gonna hate you. Say, are you ready?
Yeah.
You are.
Okay, just so you know, all of the weight goes this way, so it'd be better for her to be on this side.
That's it?
Squish between you two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are going to get on
So trade spots.
Pacific Scrambler or whatever it's called, Knott's, and we are moving seats. And I'm gonna record us, and I'm gonna record Sophie's reaction Let's see how it goes. Sophia, you ready?
You have to hold really tight. Holy shit. I don't like this, but okay.
We can fly out. Alright, I'll bring back the video to you now. And here we go.
Say cheese, Sophie.
I'm recording video. This is gonna be so amazing capturing a reaction.
Welcome to the Pacific Scramble. Please remember to sit up straight, keep your arms and legs inside of the car at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Oh crap.
Holy shit.
Okay, move your hand, move your hand. I need to see something.
Whoa! Whoa! Shit.
Okay, I know why she said it.
Oh shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Oh hell no!
Sophie's loving it.
No, on my eyes! I can't see shit! Like this! Let's go! Shit, my stomach! Are we squishing?
No.
It feels like it. Oh shit. You like it? Yeah?
You like it? Hey guys, we are here at Boomerang. Boomerang, like I said, this is a ride where you go forward, you go backwards, and that's it. Real short ride. It's really fun, and that'll top it off for tonight. And goodbye. Accelerator. You can't record the ride because it's too big, and because it won't let you. So I'll see you guys after the ride. Goodbye and peace.
Watch it, Jake.
Guys, and we are now leaving. Not very far. Of course, this is the end of our video. We're leaving this on 1885. I know that's not the name, so don't judge me on that. But I'll wrap up this last part. See y'all later and goodbye. Oh, by the way. Hey! Alright, here we go. What happened? Oh, I think the phone died. Because someone can't stop